Hey guys, Justin Johnson here at MarineMax in Clearwater. Again, we're standing in our beautiful showroom. Today we are on a 193 NauticStar SC. This is a perfect boat for cruising up the intercoastal, going out to the islands to hang out with everybody. This boat is perfect for it. It's going to take chop very well. It's a very dry boat, and also it doesn't draft much whatsoever. You'll notice in the back it's powered by a 115 Yamaha 4-stroke. Plenty of motor for this boat. You're going to be in the 40-mile-per-hour range. Go ahead and step aboard. Notice the spacious swim platform in the back. Beautiful dash that we have here. It's laid out well. You're going to see our 5-inch sim right here. This is going to be all your charts and displays. All the switches you need, gauges here as well. Bluetooth radio here too. Under each cushion back here, you're going to have storage. Notice just how much space the boat has as I'm walking freely through it. Again, here we're going to have dry storage as well. A cooler that is insulated, of course. Big anchor storage, and also another ladder to board off the bow of the boat as well. If you'd like to know more about this beautiful boat, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Justin Johnson. My phone number is 813-424-6084. Thank you very much. Enjoy the water.